So good afternoon, class 6th. So what we were doing? So we were doing the chapter degrees of the adjective of quality. So we were doing the degrees of adjectives. So in the last few lectures, I have explained you that what are adjectives. We have discussed about that in detail. That adjectives are the describing words. They describe the nouns and pronouns. Then we have discussed about all the kinds of adjectives in detail with examples, and I told you to write all that matter in your notebooks. And now we have come to the next chapter. Then we did the position of adjectives also, and now we have come to the degrees of adjectives of quality. So when we talk about the quality, only there we have to use the degrees. Means it is good, or it is better, or it is the best. So when we are talking about the degree quality, only then we have to use the degrees, right? So basically, the quality, where we talk about quality, degree is used in only there. So we have, I explained you that what is positive. Positive degree is when there is no comparison. Comparative degree is that when we compare two things, two nouns, two pronouns, means we compare two things between, we compare is all, comparison is always done in two things or two persons or two places, anything. Means it can be noun in any form. So comparison is done in two groups, they can be any. And superlative comes when we are talking about from among all, the best part. So then I told you some characteristics, that points which you have to keep in mind while we are using the comparative degree and the superlative degree. So I told you that with comparative degree we use than, than, bigger than, greater than, taller than, right? So we use the than with the comparative degree. And in superlative degree, I told you that the word the is used before the best one, means before the third degree, that is the superlative degree, the use of the. And with the use of the, and I told you that the के साथ हम preposition लगाते हैं in and of. तो हम जैसे हम बोलेंगे she is the tallest of all three sisters. So here of all three means तीन sisters हैं, उनमें से ये सबसे tallest है. या Mukesh Ambani is the richest man in India. So means here we are using the preposition in, or we use the preposition of. Sometimes in is used and sometimes of is used, and in the basically in the superlative degrees. So we completed page number 62 also. I explained you in the chart, and then we have completed this exercise also, and I gave you this as a homework. मैंने आपको ये homework में दी थी, but nobody has sent me the work as usual. I always give the homework, but nobody sends me the images back. I don't know whether you people watch the video properly or not, but I am teaching it with full dedication, but I don't get much response from the students. So now we have to start with the exercise number 2, that is on at page number 63. So we were doing the degrees of adjectives. So we have discussed all three degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, as well as the, we have discussed. There is no comparison. Then comparative degree. Between two होते हैं. Superlative degree. That is among all. मीन्स ये सब में से होती है, ठीक है. it is the highest degree, or we can say surpassing all others. So these are the three main degrees. So we have completed with exercise number 1, and now we are going to solve the exercise number 2. Complete the following sentences by filling the blanks with comparative forms of adjectives shown in brackets. Follow the example. This room is dash that, then that one. Means here the two rooms are compared. So second degree आएगी हमारी warmer. Temperature is dash today than it was yesterday. आज और कल के टेम्परेचर में कंपैरिजन हो रहा है, तो कौन सी डिग्री आएगी? एक्सरसाइज 2 पेजेस 63 हायर सेकेंड डिग्री आएगी, क्योंकि हम कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं. कंपैरिजन इज द सेकेंड डिग्री. हिज जर्मन शेपर्ड इज डैश देन योर्स. हिज एंड योर्स अगेन टू. सो क्या आएगा? हिज जर्मन शेपर्ड इज मोर हेल्दी. No, healthier. We arrived dash than she had expected. We arrived sooner than she had expected. Sooner. कि वो हमसे जितना एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी, हम उससे पहले आ गए. We arrived sooner. It is dash on this side of the valley. It is not sunnier. I think here, because it is not clear whether how many sides they consider from the valley. They have not mentioned that from all the sides this one is the. So there, if they have mentioned it from all the sides, this side of the valley is the sunnier. They have just written it is dash on this side of valley, means. So I think it is sunnier आएगा. Second form will be used. Lena is dash than her sister. Comparison. Lena is younger. The afternoon is usually dash than the morning. Hotter. Lucky is dash than you are. So all these are comparative degrees. The table is dash at the end, at this end. Table is dash at this end. Table is lower. Again here, comparative degree will be used. This book is dash than the that one. Thinner. So in the title only they have written the comparative form, so these are all of the comparative. The bag is heavier. So all these are in the comparative degree. Now comes the exercise number 3. Here we have to fill the superlative forms. Now here we will do the exercise number 3. Yesterday was the coldest day of the year. Coldest. Second, this is the easiest way to do it. Easiest. The kitchen should be the cleanest. This is the newest. This is the sweetest. The third act is the saddest part. The dash temperature on record was minus 11 degrees, the lowest temperature. That is probably the wisest thing. Wisest. This is the shortest route. She is the luckiest girl. So we have completed exercise number 3. Now turn the page, and I told you to do it yourself, right? I told you to do this yourself. The following table gives the ages and heights of the children, right? So here the name and ages is given. Following the examples, write sentences comparing the age or height of the children in each of the following. So you should do this yourself only. Okay. Height is given. Danny and Lavanya. Nikita and Danny. Nikita and Danny की age क्या है? Nikita is 16 and Danny is 15. So you have to write down the sentences that Nikita is elder. Nikita is older than Danny. ऐसे करके आपने sentences बनाने हैं. तो ये exercise number 4 आप खुद करेंगे. So this is your homework, exercise number 4, that is on page number 64. Do it yourself. Is it clear? Now we come to exercise number 5. Rewrite each of the following sentences as a comparison using the word or words given in the bracket as the second part of the comparison. Aslam is a skilled carpenter और ब्रैकेट में लिखा है his father. तो हम लिखेंगे Aslam is a more skilled carpenter than his father. Himal is a good teacher, his friend Ramesh. Now we will write it down. Himal is a better. Himal is a better teacher than his friend Ramesh. Okay. Second one is Tarun is an efficient manager, Sunanda. So how you will write it? Tarun is more efficient manager than Sunanda. Tarun is more efficient manager than Sunanda. Third one, they are wonderful performers, their predecessors. So we will write, they are more wonderful performers than their predecessors. They are more wonderful performers than their predecessors. He won a prestigious prize, his competitor. So he won a more prestigious prize than his competitor. He won a more prestigious prize than his competitor. Fifth is the white goods are large pieces of electrical equipments. The brown ones. The white goods are more larger pieces of electrical equipments than the brown ones. The white goods are more larger, more नहीं आएगा, larger are larger pieces of the white goods are larger pieces of electrical equipments than the brown ones. Sixth, Rupesh is an able administrator, his boss. So Rupesh is abler administrator than his boss. Rupesh is abler administrator than his boss. She is carrying a heavy parcel. She is carrying a heavier parcel than you. She is carrying a heavier parcel than you. So with this we have completed this lesson, this chapter. Now we have to move to the another chapter. So with this we have completed the degrees, the full chapter of adjectives, kinds of adjectives, position of adjectives, and now degrees of adjectives. So when we will do the revision, then we will do the more practice exercises. But now at present we have to move to the another topic as we have to complete our syllabus. So now we are going to start with the lesson preposition and its kinds. So I hope you have written this. So I'm going to rub this now. Now comes the chapter 16, prepositions. So what are prepositions? The word that shows the relationship between a noun, pronoun and the other words in a sentence is called a preposition. Now, आप क्लास 3 से ये करते आ रहे हैं टॉपिक, ठीक है? The pencil is in the drawer, the book is on the table, the cat is sitting under the table. So all these, what are these? In, on, under, between, among, above, across. All these words are called as prepositions. They show the relationship. ये हमें relationship बताते हैं that जो चीज़ है वो कहाँ है, या जो नाउन और प्रनाउन का अदर वर्ड्स के साथ रिलेशन क्या है. इट टेल्स अबाउट द रिलेशनशिप ऑफ नाउन एंड प्रनाउन एंड द अदर वर्ड्स इन द सेंटेंस. मीन्स it tells about कन्वे द फॉलोइंग रिलेशनशिप्स, लाइक कई बार वो आपको रिलेशनशिप बताता है कि उसका इससे क्या रिलेशनशिप है, कई बार वो ये बताता है दैट वेयर द थिंग इज प्लेस्ड, देन समटाइम्स इट टेल्स कि हम किस तरफ को जा रहे हैं या कितने बजे हम क्या करने वाले हैं। तो ये सब चीज़ें जो है हमें प्रैपोजिशंस की हेल्प से पता चलती हैं। इट टेल्स द रिलेशनशिप ऑफ नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन एंड द अदर वर्ड्स इन द सेंटेंस, कि नाउन और प्रोनाउन का दूसरे अदर वर्ड्स हैं जो सेंटेंस में, उनके साथ उनका क्या रिलेशन है या उनका क्या स्टेटस है। The words like at, in, on, along, of, above, all these are known as the prepositions. So there are so many types of prepositions. Prepositions of location, prepositions of place, prepositions of time, then prepositions of source भी आ जाते हैं, preposition of purpose भी आ जाता है. तो the level changes as your class changes. So in your class, at your level, so we will discuss about the list. First of all, we will discuss about the common prepositions, right? So first of all, we will write down the word that shows the relationship between the noun or pronoun and other words. A word that shows the relationship of noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Are called prepositions. So हमारे most commonly क्या क्या हैं? In, on, at, above, under, across, beyond, between, of, etc. बहुत सारे हैं. There are so many. So this is a story about elephants. और मैं आपको example बताती हूँ. In all these sentences, we can see that preposition shows how a noun or pronoun is related to another word. This is a story about elephants. Second, the plane flew above the clouds. The plane flew above the clouds. Third, we walked along the road. Fourth, look at the blackboard. So just look at the first sentence. This is a story about elephants. Now इसमें हमारा जो है नाउन क्या है? Elephants. तो हम कौन सी, we are talking about a story. तो जो हमारा स्टोरी है हमको बता रहे हैं कि वो स्टोरी किसके बारे में. अगर हम अबाउट ना लगाएं इसमें, दिस इज अ स्टोरी एलिफेंट्स, तो आपको कुछ समझ आएगा? इट विल बी इनकम्प्लीट. सो इट इज शोइंग द रिलेशनशिप ऑफ अ नाउन with the other words, noun with the other words in the sentence. अगर हम about नहीं लगाते, this is a story elephants, so it is incomplete in itself and it is incorrect also. So it shows the relationship of noun or pronoun and the other words in the sentence. The plane flew the clouds. अब अगर हम above नहीं लगाएंगे तो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि प्लेन कहाँ है? क्लाउड्स में. above the clouds means clouds के ऊपर से प्लेन फ्लाई करता है. We walked along the road. We walked the road. हम सड़क जा रहे हैं, ये तो नहीं बनेगा, इट्स इनकरेक्ट. We walked along the road means हम सड़क के साथ साथ जा रहे हैं. Along, it tells you the relationship. Look at the blackboard. Look the blackboard. Blackboard देखो. वो तो अजीब सी बात हो गई ना, ब्लैक बोर्ड देखो. ब्लैक बोर्ड कोई ऐसी देखने की चीज़ नहीं है, बट जब जो उस पर लिखा है आप उसको देखो. लुक एट, जब तक हम एट नहीं लगाएंगे उसका मीनिंग कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. तो लुक एट. So all these words, they show the relationship of noun or a pronoun and the other words in the sentence. Now list of common prepositions. यहाँ पे लिस्ट दी हुई है, हम उसको रीड करेंगे अभी. द लिस्ट ऑफ कॉमन prepositions आर अबाउट, above, across, after, against, along, among, around, at, before, behind. So all these are, you have to start writing from here, start the definition here, then give some examples, and then make a chart, make a table like this and write down the list of common prepositions. So now we come to exercise number 1. Our exercise number 1 is fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions from those given in the brackets. Juhi is afraid from spiders or of spiders? Juhi is afraid of spiders, not from spiders. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th, not in, on 26th. There is a row of green lights among the road or along the road. Row of green lights along the road, road के साथ साथ. Our school starts dash 8 a.m. not in. Our school starts at 8. What are you looking? By नहीं आएगा, at. It is no use crying over spilt milk. It is a proverb. So over spilt milk. It is no use crying over spilt milk. इसका मीनिंग मालूम है आपको proverb का? इसका मीनिंग है कि जब दूध गिर ही गया पूरा, अब उसके ऊपर रोने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं. मीन्स जब आपका काम खराब हो ही गया, उसके बाद उस चीज़ के बारे में अफसोस करना, उसकी बात करके, इट इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़. आपको पहले ही ध्यान रखना चाहिए था. इसका मतलब ये है, जब काम बिगड़ जाए उसके बाद जब आप अफसोस करें, सो देन वी यूज़ दिस प्रोवर्ब दैट इट इज़ नो यूज़ क्राइंग ओवर स्पिल्ट मिल्क. दूध तो अब गिर चुका है, अब उसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता. सम विलेजर्स सैट अंडर द शेड. The cat sat in the corner of the room. Has it been raining since last night? Sarah is very fond of chocolates. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions from the ones given in the box. Follow the example. Since he is not very trustworthy, I advise you to take what he says with a pinch of salt. I went to the bookshop, but the book I wanted was out of stock. To save money, Mr. Tomar usually buys flour and rice in bulk. Since he could offer us no proof, we had to believe in his story. Rashi knows hundreds of poems by heart. Since he could not find a place to live in a new city, dash the time. For the time being, he is staying at an economical hotel. For the time being. Little by little. Eighth one, because of its importance, the investigating committee studied the report in detail. All the clothes sold in his exhibition cum sale were made by hand. Katrina wanted to leave for the airport at once. So in the next lecture, we will discuss about the prepositional phrases. So for the time being, you read this part of this and complete your exercises of adjective which I have given you as a homework, and as well as read this page also. Prepositional phrase.